Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna be showing you the very basic on how to read and use the TradingView, especially for the signals that I send. If you know how it works, TradingView, you don't really need to watch this video. But if you don't know how to read it, I'll suggest you to watch this video. You can create an account with TradingView, but you don't actually need it because it's free. Unfortunately, they will bombard you a little bit with the free version, but it's completely up to you. If you wanna join, I will leave the link below. So I wanna start by saying usually I trade with the 4 hours time frame, which you can actually see here. This is the time frame. This is 4 hours. If you go to one, it's like you zoom in. See? 15 minutes. That's I usually 15 minutes use it just for a sniper entry to get in, but I usually use 4 hours. Also, you can change the assets or the trading pairs here, top left. Just say we go to Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. This is the one, the chart. Also, when I send the signals, it's here. Let's just make a long position. So, how you read these ones? When I say entry, of course you don't have to be exactly on the price. When I say 63,610, no, it can range a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. Here is the stop loss, because you can see it's red, means if this price action, which that is candles here, is too close to the red, to the bottom red, that means it's not really great. But again, I'll explain again. When the price it's between the two, from the top and the bottom, let's just say here in between where the green and the red matches, it's okay to get in still. So this is a long position. When you see the red at the bottom and the green on the top, means we are betting or we are longing that the price will raise and will go up, of course. And this one would be the take profit. Also, you can see on the right side, there's a price. So at the bottom here, see, it's 61. And here at the top, see on the right, 66. It's very simple, guys. It's not really rocket science. Anyway, here, short position. You can read exactly the same, but in this case, we are betting that the price will go down, no up. So when you see the red on top, that means we are shorting. We think that the price goes down. It's actually very simple. I know it can be overwhelming, but it's actually simple. Also, I wanted to say something about the candles. So when you see candles like this, green candle, of course, you'll probably understand, it means the price is going up. When you see a red candle, means the price it went down. So this is 4 hours time frame, yeah? So I just want to show you so you understand. This candle, it took 4 hours to move from here to here. And then after 4 hours, opens up another candle, this one. Here says the time, just below here, when the next candle is going to be in 3 hours and 22 minutes. That's how it usually works. Anyway, I already made a short video, by the way, on how you set up signals for mobile version, so feel free to check it out. If you haven't watched, I suggest you to watch the video. I'll link this video on the description, by the way. If you like the contest, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will really help me, guys. And of course, I'll start making videos, some videos soon on how to trading. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.